When you mix a stolen truck, a loaded gun, and a guy with zero fear of traffic laws, you get one of the wildest police chases Arkansas has ever seen. Buckle up. This one's a full-throttle ride through fences, intersections, and nearly a fireball at the Nestlé plant.
Got a crash. He's still going.
On May 9, 2023, Arkansas State Police attempted to stop a black Yukon for speeding and improper tags. The driver, 50-year-old Timmy Lynn Davis, had zero intention of pulling over. Instead, with a female passenger beside him, he launched into one of the year's wildest high-speed chases. It all kicked off on Nestlé Road near Jonesboro, Arkansas, ironically near the local Nestlé food plant.
From the 37 southbound to the Black Yukon.
We're going on Nestlé Way, passing Nestlé. We should be getting out to 18 in just a second.
Yes, we're on Nestlé nearing 18.
Behind you, 16, just let you know. South end of Brooklyn.
As if chasing down chocolate milk, Timmy sped through intersections, drove on the wrong side of the highway, and aggressively brake-checked officers.
Jones, when we turn down Jake Street, it's on a dead end. He's going to bail out on foot toward standby. So, hey, Tanner, go to the come down Nestlé Way. He's going to come back out on it. Alright, we're getting close back to 18. I've tried pitting it there one time. He keeps blocking me. Just turned, looks like west, going westbound on 18.
Southbound on Nestlé.
Alright, I'm going to switch over to troop scene call.
See if you can get JPD involved in this.
It's working 21 now.
He tried to pit. He couldn't do it.
He ran. 16 be careful with the heavy trailer.
Be careful, it's a heavy trailer.
I wonder who that was, you 10-4? Here behind Nestlé in this destruction area.
Some of the workers are pointing back east. They're pointing back east. Hey, where'd he go?
Going back towards where you are.
He took off the dually?
I think.
Gosh damn it. Jonesboro, he stole a truck from Nestlé. It's in a gray dually with a trailer on it.
Southbound on Nestlé.
After crashing through a fence at the Nestlé plant, Timmy took things to the next level. Eventually, he veered off-road and led the pursuit deep into a construction area. Officers were advised he was armed, making every moment more dangerous. Spike strips failed to stop the heavy-duty truck, and officers scrambled to corner him before anyone got seriously hurt. Eventually, Timmy smashed through a guardrail and crashed into a drainage ditch near a residential neighborhood.
Chick-fil-A right now.
Nobody above.
Tried to spike him. Unsuccessful right there. Coming by. Coming up the red one.
343 here, Red Wolf.
But get by, he does have a handgun.
Straight through Red Wolf, still on island.
346.
Yeah.
Unit behind me, turn on your blue lights and call a pursuit.
Jones, we're coming up to Highway. Airway.
24 Highland, Airway.
Going straight through the southwest.
Straight southwest.
Carjacking a Ford F-350 truck with an attached trailer at gunpoint. The vehicle was easy to spot, but that didn't stop him from continuing the rampage. Police units from multiple agencies joined the pursuit, and the chase raged on through town as Timmy ran red lights, went head-on into traffic, and nearly set his stolen truck on fire after skidding through an intersection. Officers were advised he was armed, making every moment more dangerous. Spike strips failed to stop the heavy-duty truck.
45.
Correction, I'm at MLK. Highland MLK. He just hit somebody here at Harris Park Road in Highland. Get JPD check on him.
10-4. 345.
Got a crash, got a crash. He's still going, he's still going.
Billy sound.
Up there, take him out.
Go, 16, go!
JPD's out for the one at Harrisburg. Go.
Go!
10-4.
Over on Southwest Drive.
Go, 16, I'll call it.
22 coming up there, he goes into oncoming traffic. Call it, L2 Drive. We're still southbound, Southwest Drive, approaching the interstate.
346.
Ah! Going head on into traffic, head on into traffic. Still southbound, going over the overpass. Can anybody get out in front of him and set up with a rifle? Left on the Parker Road. No, we can't get in front of him. Somebody get Caraway Road Parker and in this, if you can. We'll be eastbound on West Parker. Eastbound on West Parker. We'll be eastbound on West Parker. Eastbound on West Parker.
346. Eastbound on West Parker. 346. Eastbound on West Parker.
16th struck this over highway. I just can't get this thing to fit it. Coming traffic again. Depot, gonna be approaching the intersection. Looks like he might be trying to get back on the interstate. He's about to hit the guardrail. He went through the guardrail, crossed traffic into the housing complex. It'll be north of the interstate. Lost it when it went off the interstate. Depot. Gonna be approaching the intersection. Looks like he might be trying to get back on the interstate. He's about to hit the guardrail. He went through the guardrail, cross traffic into the housing complex. It'll be north of the interstate. Lost it when
He and his passenger fled on foot, prompting officers to lock down the area and warn locals to stay indoors. With a gun in hand and nothing to lose, Timmy was a major threat. But police surrounded him quickly and ended the manhunt without further injuries. He was arrested and slapped with a long list of charges, including aggravated assault, felony criminal mischief, and theft by receiving. His high-speed joyride earned him 40 years in prison, and no word yet on whether they serve chocolate milk behind bars.